Are you looking for a one-story home but can't find one? Well, look no more, because this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located at 4557 Baler Trails Drive in Gramercy Park in St. Cloud, Florida. Hi there, I'm so happy you're here to join me. I'm Jeanine Corcoran, resident of St. Cloud and broker for the Corcoran Connection. Are you excited about starting the tour? Let's go ahead. Hi, you're back. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. So go ahead and comment below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. This way you'll be notified of other properties in St. Cloud, Harmony, Lake Nona, in the Central Florida area. In the meantime, go ahead and call 1-844-CORCORAN or visit us online at thecorcoranconnection.com.